To save money, I decided to reuse these benches on my patio, but I definitely needed a little help. Off to pause. Well, hello.
He likes peanuts. This is the boss, and once the boss, you stay the hell away from it.
Pa's got jokes. Definitely need to invest in a hand sander next time. I reuse these Amazon legs using exterior black spray paint. We decided to go with the dark stain this time and chose Special Walnut. Wish it was this fast in real life. To weatherproof, we used 2 coats of polyurethane spray paint. If you remember, this is where we started. Check out after. For more DIYs, follow us.